Got one. No! No, no! My doors and windows are in there. Galvanized gutter pipe or something, maybe for cattle, or a seat box from an old planter maybe. Oh, look at how long that thing is. Holy buckets. That's pretty long. I guess I'll crunch it up for scrap. Looks like it might have been a feeder, or could have been an old elevator for hay bales that doesn't have the chain in it anymore. Trust me, I know how those work. Spent many hours throwing bales and catching them in the barn on the other end. Fold it just like this. Cool, man. Folding a 40-foot thingamajob down into a 12-footer. Not half bad.
gotta find a home for it. Guess I'll put it up there on the metal pile. Oh yeah, Jeopardy.
Well, I am back at the 38 acres. Joe's out there playing in the driveway, and I'm gonna see if I can get these 2 small windows yet. I don't think I'm gonna get anything more. Definitely not gonna get the 2x4s. They're completely rotted out, so let's see if I can at least get the windows. Got one. Well, we know there's something here. It looks like an old cistern, but Joe's gonna do a little light lifting. See if we can figure out what it is. It's got an old pump and an old water heater outside.
So we're trying to find out if this is just a water holding tank, which was common, you know, quite a long time ago, or if there's a drilled well here, or even a sand point. So let's take a look.
Oh, don't step on it. There's nails there too. Careful. In the trim. I wouldn't be walking on it. Take a couple scoops out.
There's a water line right there.
That's a drain. Honey, don't stand on the hole. I don't like.
I'm right next to it.
Oh, all right.
What in the world is this going up that way? Oh, no, that's got to be. That's just patio, I think.
Yeah.
I'll scoop it, but I think it was just a sand point.
Well, that was disappointing. Well, there might be a tank buried in there, but we're not going to mess with it. We just want to make sure it wasn't a big hole. No! No, no! My doors and windows are in there.